What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. For my last video you guys are making, you're saying I was out of money and I don't have any more money, but if I was out of money, could I do this? See this? Now let's get to the video. So first things first, you got to see if your Avalanche 2500 starts because it's pretty cold out. So let's do that. Fires right up. She's snowing, but you can hear that idle away. A little belt slip, but that's to be expected in this cold weather with the parts you get from China these days. Time to clear this thing off. A lot of you guys are asking, how can I afford gas in an 8.1? Well, I pretty much always keep this thing at a half tank all the time. So I'm doing all right around here, you know what I'm saying? Maybe 3/4. Look at that, that's like a solid foot on there. Just listen to that cold start of that 494. Okay, and we got all this snow last night. It's probably about a foot. I can't remember where I put the mount to the plow. Ooh, what the heck was that? Dang Tahoe hat. So it's right there. So we're gonna dig that out, put that on there after some difficulty. A little bit of difficulty, got the mount on. Now when I'm out plowing snow, I always put it in full low. All right, we got the plow on. Thank God for defrost, because this would have been a pain to scrape all that off. And it is snowing really good here. And we got a driveway, probably about a foot of snow. So let's test it out. Picked up a little snow on the blade here. I'll have to chisel that out. Did that fast. Whoosh. Ka-chow. Definitely more than 10 inches, probably about 18 inches of snow here. Look at that, it's a 35-inch tire. Buried. Some snow piles here. That'll probably drift up back tonight, man. It is some crazy lake effect snow we're getting. So about 2.5 hours to go that far with much difficulty, and we're still not out of the woods, and we're supposed to get another 3 feet of snow in the next 5 hours. So let's see how this goes. Buried. Traction board is not tractioning. The rescue vehicle is stuck also. Also stuck. Round 2, partying. Oh, traction boards did it. It's gonna get stuck over there. I got so much battery left. There you have it, guys. I thought we were gonna have to get the Hummer to get them unstuck, but it did it with a little traction board magic. Those Australians coming to the snow belts. Backup camera footage of being pulled out. Parties to get it. As he's pulling us out, let me just tell you, this is not a paid sponsorship by Snowplows. Try number 2. We're just gonna sit here at the old Tahoe, try to winch us out, see what happens. Madly irritated driver, but he's in good spirits. Look at that, boys, we're free and back to plowing. Blazing the trail. Woo! Can't tell where the edge of the road is. Looks like he knows. And we'll let him pass. Whoosh, infinite danger. Hey, bud. Give us the old wave. All right, off to grandmother's. It's some pretty driving now. Look at all the snow and the trees and everything. There's a massive drop off right there. Woo! Hello. This snow is deeper than it shows up on camera on the road, though, for sure. Next opportunity for snow plowing. Oh dang, it is heavy here. We're gonna turn the plow here. All right, I'm I'm gonna get out and put the camera on a tripod. Guys, here she is. Man, there's some wind. I apologize for that, I'm sure. Look at that. That's a 35-inch tire. It's above that. Probably 40 inches of snow above the blade. But she's just smoking right through this. No problem. Cleaning off vehicles. I actually lost one of these yesterday, but good thing I have like 3 or 4 I got at Walmart for a nickel last year when they were on clearance, so I have a bunch of these. But yeah, I just put one down and it's gone, so the snow's deep. All right guys, we got a little snow booger here. Let's take it out with the tripod. Oh. Oh! Ah, I can see again. Dang, that's like a foot out there. That is nuts. Crazy. Dang. All right, almost done plowing for the day, but never for life. We're getting well over 6 foot. Nice, nice. Shovels, that needs plowed out too. Girl helping up. Oh, she's killing it. Loves the snow.